Hey, hello everyone. This is the 28th video of Power Pages 30 Days Learning Series. If you are new to this learning challenge, this is the initiative I took this new year. It's a 30 days initiative I took this new year where I just wanted to produce the 30 videos covering all the topics of the Power Pages from basic to advanced. And actually have been discussing about all the portal stuff from security perspective, from designing perspective, from integration perspective, and from the coding perspective. So that is basically for the low code, no code developers, whether you are the professional developers or whether you are the site administration. So all the stuff we are actually discussing in this Power Pages learning series. All right. Since this is the 20th video and you can understand that we are closing towards the last state of the Power Pages learning series. So I just made a announcement on my social media channel as well that I'm featuring all the portal heroes on the closing day of the Power Pages 30 days learning challenge. So I don't need to introduce those faces to you because they are all the well-known faces either from the Microsoft or from the community itself. All right, so like the Nick Dolman, who is the senior content developer at the Microsoft. So all the greatest stuff you are reading it through the MS Learn about the Power Pages. So Nick Dolman is behind that. Dilip Singh is basically the principal program manager who is leading the Microsoft Power Pages team. So you have seen him in a lot of events, in the community events where he has been discussing about and sharing a lot of interesting stuff about the Power Pages. Deepti Jaiswal, who is the security, who is actually handling the security part of the Power Pages in the Microsoft team. And recently, she has published the white paper of the security architecture of the Power Pages. So we're gonna have a lot of interesting stuff get to know on the last day of the Power Pages 30 days learning series. Along with that, we have along with that all the other community heroes are also joining this particular event. The Victor, Nicholas, Oliver, Alexander, Francisco, Raz, Cyril, Ulrich, and Raghavan. So all the great stuff you see it on the community related to the Power Pages. So these are all the portal heroes are there who are putting a lot of great efforts to share the best knowledge of the portals to you. All right. Now, if I talk about the today's agenda, today I'm going to discuss about how to reset and delete the Power Pages site. Uh, before getting into the session, I just wanted to give a quick recap. We discussed about the introductions, we discussed about the designing, we discussed about how to write the custom code, and we also integrate the portals with the SharePoint, Power Apps, Chatbot, Power BI. I was about to discuss about the Power Automate integrations as well. So I also listed down in my agenda earlier, but now I removed it from here because I just got to know that in the recent 2023 release wave, uh, that Microsoft has announced that they're gonna embed the Power Apps, Power Automate as part of the Power Pages. Okay, so we're gonna have a dedicated connector of the Power Pages so that you can make the communication directly between your Power Pages and your Power Automate. You don't need to rely on the HTTP triggers that we used to do it in the earlier approach. So that's why I don't want to discuss the Power Automate integration. So I'm going to discuss about the release one feature of 2023 in my last session as well. So just stay tuned and where I am going to discuss more about this Power Automate feature. Okay. Today topic is the reset and deleting the Power Pages site. So let's understand first what is the difference between reset and the delete from the Power Pages perspective. So before understanding the reset feature, I just wanted to let you know like what are the components that actually make this Power Pages site. So there are three basic components. The first is your portal configuration. So whatever configuration you are doing, like creating site settings, creating multi-step forms, list or your forms, your content snippet, table permissions. So these all configuration are part of portal configuration. Okay. And then you have the portal solutions. So portal solution is something like when you install or provision the portal. you get to see some managed solution get installed in your Dataverse environment. So those all solutions are called the portal solutions. And the third is your portal website host. So the portal app gets created that you can see it in the Power Apps Maker portals.com that actually provides you the low code no code capabilities. So it actually creates the website binding and that is also part of the Power Pages. Okay. So it's just a code that actually forms the actual website. So these are basically three components that is basically made up of Power Pages only. Now, when I need to reset the portal, so that is the first business requirement I need to understand that what are the business use cases or when should I decide that I have to reset my portal. So once a portal is provisioned, you might need to delete the resources from your portal under certain circumstances. For example, if you move your organization to another tenant or another data center, so that could be a way. It is quite rare use case, but that might be the possibility that you have installed the portal in a different tenant or in different environment, but you now want to move it to another tenant or another data center. If you want to remove the portal from your organization, okay, so let's say it might be possible like you have installed the portal, now you want to remove the portal from your organization, or if your portal is not provisioned or installed correctly, so that is also might be the case. So for example, sometimes you install the portal and you get to see this error like an error has occurred while provisioning your portal. So sometimes if this kind of error is you are getting while installing the portal, so you need to re-provisioning it again by doing the reset. So you can reset the organization as well. Sorry, reset the portal as well. Okay, so these are the use cases when you need to reset the portal. Now, what happens when you reset your portal? When you reset, it will delete all the hosted resources associated with that. Then you can provision the portal again. Once the reset operation is finished, your portal URL will not be accessible anymore. Okay, so portal reset because it has a lot of confusion in the community that when you reset the portal, will it delete my configuration? Will it delete all the portal components? So it's not like that. It is important to note that resetting your portal doesn't remove your portal configuration or the solution present in your instance, and they will remain as is. So as I told you in my first slide deck, there are basically three components of a Power Pages: your solution, your configuration, and your hosted resources. So hosted resources means your website binding or basically your portal app that actually make that particular website. So when you reset the portal, your connection will be broken, your solution will not be removed, and your portal configuration will also not remove. You can reset a completely configured portal as well. So as you can see, like we have configured the portal in last 30 days, we can reset that portal as well, or we can reset the portal who is not provisioned properly, or its provision or updating got failed. So there are both the possibilities are there. So for that purpose, we can reset your portal. Now, so when you reset the Power Pages site, among these three components, your only portal website host get deleted. Okay, that means your connection will be broken. Your all the components will remain in your website. Only your connection will be the connection that is there. So I would say it's a connection or it's a code that actually make your site available and make the connection with your configurations to make your site live. So it actually broken that connection. And the rest of the configuration like your web pages, forms, your solution will remain there in your sites. Okay. All right. Now, what is the difference between release, reset and delete? So reset is all about only deleting the connection and just deleting the hosted resources. So why I'm calling that connection? Because all the hosted resources that is basically used to create that website will be deleted. So that if you reset your website, then you will not be able to access that particular website. So that is about reset. Deleting the Power Pages site is basically once a portal is provisioned or installed, you might need to delete the resources from your Dataverse under the certain circumstances. For example, install the wrong portal type. So it might be the possibility that you have mistakenly installed the different portal. You have created the Power Pages site with incorrect portal template. So that is also the capability. So you always have to be very careful while installing the portal, because you cannot roll back that thing. Install it for the POC or the demo purpose. Now you want to delete it. So sometimes your client wants to see the capabilities of the portal. So you just install the portal in your live environment. Uh, but later on, you just got to know like the client is not, client don't want to take ahead the portal. They don't want to include the portal in their project. So you probably need to delete that portal completely. So reset will not work here, because reset will only reset the connection. It only delete the your hosted resources. But the delete is basically to completely flush all the configuration, all your portal components, all the solutions from your Dataverse environment. Now, so as I told you, deleting means everything should be flushed out, whether it's a portal configuration, it's a portal solution, or the portal website host. Okay. Now the question is that what are the steps, how to delete this Power Pages site? What action we need to perform it in order to delete all these components individually? Okay, so if you have to delete the portal website host, you have to do one thing. Either you have two options, whether you can go to the Power Apps Maker portals and delete the portal app. As I told you, this portal app is basically making the connection with your portal site and your portal configuration. So if you can just simply delete the portal app, that is also fine to delete the website host, or you can simply hit the reset button. So this will also delete your portal app that is basically connecting your site with your portal configuration. So that is the first thing, how you can delete the portal website host. The second, how you can delete the portal configuration. To delete the portal configuration, you just need to head over to your portal management app, and then you have to delete the website. Okay, because portal website is your root website and all is your parent record, and all the components like your web page, your web link set, table permission, forms, whatever you have created configuration related to the website will automatically flushed out. Okay, so that is the one action you have to perform in order to delete all the portal configuration. And the last thing is your portal solution. So this is one of the most challenging and one of the most complex activity. So if you are not carefully deleting this portal solution in a specific order, then you may end up facing a lot of issues. So deleting all the portal managed solution from Microsoft Dataverse in reverse order of their installation. Okay, so this is the very important thing, that how you can delete the managed solutions. So there should be a specific order. So this action should be performed very carefully, as it may lead to lot of dependencies issue if you don't delete them in a specific and a deliberate order. Okay, so very important tip I just wanted to give it to you, that these solution, it's not like that you just go to the solution section in your Dataverse and start deleting the solution randomly. It should not gonna work. You have to delete the solution in the reverse order of their installation. Now how you can find that information, that which portal solution was installed in which particular date, or how you can order your all the Microsoft Dataverse solution related to the Power Pages. So I have written a very good article on that, so you can just follow this article. You can just find it on the Google, like how to delete the portal solutions from the Power Pages, where I have demonstrated, and given the step-by-step instructions to delete the portal. Okay. Now, if you don't delete the portal or don't delete the solution in a specific order, you will usually face these two kind of issues: cannot delete component, and when uninstalling one of the solution required by a portal in a Dynamics 365, cannot delete component is thrown due to a dependency issues on the another solution. So these kind of dependency solution, component related issues, you will face it whenever you try to delete the solution in not in a particular order. Okay. All right, so let's quickly have a look in my live environment that how you can manage this all the things. So if I head over to the Power Apps Maker portals.com, so this is something. This is the portal app actually, and this actually host my portal. So this is basically a hosted resource. So whenever I install the portal, three things happen. One is your portal app got created. The second thing, your portal configuration got created that you can access from the portal management. And the third thing is your portal solution. So if you can just head over to the solution, you get to see there are a lot of Power Portals, Power Pages solutions are there. See, so now you can see there are a lot of Power Pages solutions are there. Dynamic 365 portals, timeline, Azure storage, feedback. There are a lot of portal solutions are there, and these solutions basically managed. So you cannot, change the properties within that. So if you have to reset the portal, the first thing you can do it, either you can just simply click here and delete the website. So this will reset the portal. Okay. Or what you can do is you can simply go to the admin center, and in the admin center, probably I can open it from here. All right, so let me head over to the admin center from here. Okay, so this is the admin center of my Power Pages site. So I have the option to reset the website as well. So don't confuse with the naming of it. It's not going to delete the site. It's a reset only. So once you hit this, you will ask like this action will delete the hosted resources of your portal. So hosted resources, I told you a couple of times, it's just a connection or it's just an app. This is the app that is making the connection. So it will only delete that connection, and your portal URL will not be accessible, obviously, because your connection will be lost and your hosted resources will be lost. So you will not be able to access the portal. But this action will not impact any portal configuration or the solution present in your environment. So they will remain as is. Okay, so this is basically two steps. Either you can reset it from here or you can reset it from here. But if you have to delete the portal, then you need to, delete the website first. So if I just head over to the website, you just need to click the website and delete it. So this will delete all the related components of it. And the second option you have to do it, you have to, delete this portal app as well. And the last thing, you have to go to the solution and you have to delete the solution in a particular order. Okay, I think if I just try to find, if I just go to the Power Pages now. All right, so this is the URL I was talking about. So if I just copy this and head over to the portal. Okay, so this is an article I have written a couple of years back. So, and I have also mentioned here, like what are the steps you have to perform to uninstall the portal. You have to, perform this step in the reverse order. So there are a lot of solutions are there, and there are other articles I have also mentioned that you can take the help of from. So you can find this all the information in this article. All right. So thank you so much. This is all about how to reset and delete the portal. If you have any questions, just post it in the comment and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.